Let's start the video.
Hi, welcome to Artificicy AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use playgroundai Image Creator. playgroundai is a free tool that allows you to create realistic images from text descriptions. It's a great way to generate images for your marketing materials, blog posts, or even just for fun. Step 1, go to the playgroundai website. The first step is to go to the playgroundai website. You can find it at playgroundai.com. Step 2, Sing Up. Sing up using Continue with Google. Step 3, click Create button. Click Create to enter the creation page. Step 4, choose mode. You can choose your mode here. Step 5, enter your text description. Once you're on the website, you'll see a text box where you can enter your text description. You can describe anything you want, from a simple object to a complex scene. Step 6, choose your filter. playgroundai offers a variety of styles or filter to choose from. You can choose from realistic, cartoony, or even abstract styles. Step 7. Set your dimensions or other options. Step 8. Select the number of images on each generation. Click Generate. Once you're happy with your settings, click Generate. Button playgroundai will then generate an image based on your description. Save or download your image. Once the image has been generated, you can save it to your computer. You can also share it on social media or in your marketing materials.
Let's see how to look this images.
Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like to my channel and support us. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.